Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so today I would like to discuss to you about what are the planets responsible for debts, litigation, enemies, and competition. So look at the view around. It is so beautiful, right? So this location is so soothing for me and it's so peaceful for me. And here I'm making this video. I'm so happy to share this information with you because my mission is to help you by providing the Vedic astrology knowledge to you guys. Okay, so let me try to share some information pertaining to this video. Okay, so what are the planets responsible for having debts, enemies, and competition in our life? Everybody faces competition, especially if at all you're an entrepreneur. You might face competition from your competitors. If at all you're working in a corporate, you might face competition, you might face some kind of rivalry, you might face some kind of friction, you might face some kind of politics with your boss as well as with your colleagues or any manner. Okay, even in your family you might face some kind of politics with your siblings or with your cousins. It's quite natural for anybody. But from the astrological perspective, how you can able to check that from your birth chart is being revealed. Okay, the secrets are being revealed as per Vedic astrology. So that's what I'm gonna be sharing to you right now. Okay, so basically your sixth house talks about debts, enemies, and competition, obstacles, health issues. Sixth house also talks about service. Sixth house also talks about efforts. Okay, so basically your sixth house has to be thoroughly analyzed to understand about what exactly, how is the planetary position in your sixth house? Who is the Lord of sixth house? Is the Lord of sixth house is placed happily in your birth chart? Are there any strong malefics like Rahu or Ketu is being seen? Or the sixth house planet, that is, let's say Jupiter, Mars, or Venus, or Sun, or Moon, any planet for that matter, are they exalted? Are they debilitated? Are they sitting in the friendly sign? Or are they sitting in the enemy sign? That should be analyzed. Okay, and what are the aspects the sixth house is receiving? And what are the aspects that your 12th house is showing onto the sixth house? Because 12th house is quite opposite to sixth house. So you have to check the planetary alignment of your 6th house and 12th house to thoroughly analyze whether you will be having debts, what point of time you will be having so much of competition, and whether you will be facing enemies. That can also be seen. At what time period you will be facing a lot of enemies also can be seen by analyzing your 6th house and the 12th house. Okay, so that's what you need to understand about Vedic astrological aspects. By checking your Vedic astrological birth chart, you can able to predict almost everything in your life. Okay, so let me tell you, astrology is never wrong. Astrologers are wrong. Okay, so you got your answer. So you got to analyze the 6th house in your birth chart. So get horoscope analysis done. That is most important thing. You need to analyze. You need to understand about what are the planets which are giving a strength in your birth chart. What are the planets which are weaker in your birth chart, on which you need to work. Let's say if Jupiter is weak, obviously your financial profile will be very weak. If Venus is weak, obviously you'll be having a lot of relationship failures. If Saturn is weak, obviously you'll not be able to excel well in your career. If Sun is weak, in spite of you having a lot of talent, you cannot able to shine among the society. If Moon is weak, you will be having a mindset issues. You will be having a lot of psychological issues. If Mars is weak, you will not be courageous enough. You will be fearful. For each and everything, you will be thinking twice, thrice, and you will not even take an action because Mars is considered as an action-taker planet. If Mercury is weak, obviously you will be dependent upon somebody's opinions all the point of time. Okay, I think I covered almost every planet. Okay. So that's what astrology teaches you. It's very much important for you to understand the nature of planetary alignment in your birth chart and also to check the horoscope done from the good astrologers. So let me ask you this question. How many astrologers around the world are actually devoting a couple of hours of time on your birth chart and providing you the complete horoscope analysis to you? It's not just the PDF downloads that you see from the internet that will give you the complete picture about your horoscope. It's something that you have to get an astrologer who is having very good knowledge on different systems of Vedic astrology. Sage Parashara Hora Shastra, or Bhrugunandinadi astrology, KP system, and numerology, Vastu, gemology. So I'm aware of all these systems. I've invested lakhs of money in terms of learning these courses, and I could able to give a lot of consultations, and you can see a lot of testimonials flowing around on my page, and at the same time you can see a lot of YouTube videos I'm making to share this knowledge to the world. Okay, so you got to find the astrologer who is good at knowledge in terms of analyzing your birth chart, who is very patient enough to check different combinations to provide you the final prediction, and that's how you have to that's how you can able to eradicate a lot of bad events from your life. Because if you know something before, you'll be extra careful. If you know something is weaker in your astrological birth chart, you will start working on those weaker points, right? So that's why it is very much important for you to get the horoscope analysis done. So my request for you, book for astrological consultation with me. The link is mentioned in the comments in the description section. Do book for an astrological consultation. Once I get a consultation order, I'll be able to help you with the complete analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart. Okay, so individual to you, based on your date of birth, time of birth, and place of birth. Okay, and I'll wait for your consultation order, and I'll give you the astrological consultation to you, and the analysis will be all yours. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.